The chiral molecules are everywhere in humanity. So talk about DNAs and other biomolecules, all are chiral in nature. When they are chiral, they are not one molecule, but they are actually a pair of molecules with left and right hand rotations. Each of these chiral molecules will have specific properties which could be advantageous or disadvantageous to the system that we are studying. But the problem is the separation of these molecules is chemically very difficult.
The biggest challenge was to come up with a design for the host molecule which is simple but economic, which is not synthetically challenging but still can provide us better space for effective chiral recognition and separation.
In this work, we have synthesized a pair of chiral aminophosphonium salt with multiple interaction sites such as hydrogen bonding, pi stacking, ion dipoles, etc.
All those interactions will favorably interact with the guest molecules of our choice. Then once the interactions are established, one enantiomer is strongly bonded to the host molecule, the other enantiomer is easily released. Then the separation becomes easier and very compatible.
We have also demonstrated effective chiral recognition and separation of a wide range of chiral organic guest molecules via these hosts.
Our future perspective for this work will be to separate biologically and industrially important chiral molecule with our host gas chemistry.
So this will simplify purification of very biologically relevant molecules, drugs, and the molecules which actually are used for our day-to-day life improvements.